It's such a tragic, sad. What's good, what's poppin', DNM squad, and today we are back with another video. And today's video is
we're gonna be doing a flashback of Hurricane Irma.
So we're gonna be doing a flashback of Hurricane Irma. It is such a it is take two.
It was a really bad experience for us and most of the people who are
in the Caribbean.
Yes, in the Caribbean with us.
So we're just gonna, in this video, we're just gonna explain how we felt in it, you know, and like how we have developed over time from it, you know, and how the island is, how our island, as you can see, the Virgin Islands, how they are doing right now. And we're just gonna insert pictures of how they were on September 7th, 2017.
And we're probably gonna get some pictures of how it is now and how the school. Do we have pictures of the school?
Refurnished or refurbished.
The school isn't completely built back. But
there's like one side that needs to be finished that they're working on right now.
We're probably gonna show you guys a picture of how it looks now, and maybe if we get a picture of how it was after. After Hurricane Irma, we probably would put that in.
Yeah. So that's just like a little brief note about it, and then there's gonna be like a little clip in like 4 minutes of like everything.
Showing you everything, yeah. But
I'm gonna say like BFEC, which is a school that we used to go to in the BVI.
Yeah, so right now we're in high school, living up here, and I'm in 12th grade.
Living in the States. I'm in 10th.
Yeah.
About to be done in 2 more years or
whatever.
whatever.
This year, girl, is a whole senior.
Okay, so let's just, all that rambling, be rambling for like how much? 6 minutes? Let's just get into the like clip.
Flashback.